Hello everyone. Welcome to another episode of Top Car Specs. I'm Chris Jordan. Today, we will be reviewing the 2023 Mercedes EQB. As Mercedes-Benz gears up to roll out a comprehensive lineup of electric vehicles, the Boxy EQB, based on the gasoline-powered GLB-class SUV, is among the first offerings under the new EQ sub-brand. Two different all-electric powertrains are offered, with EQB 300 models making a combined 225 horsepower and EQB 350 models getting bumped up to 288. All-wheel drive is standard, similar to the GLB-class SUV. The EQB offers a spacious cabin with upscale materials, a third row of seats. The EQB is an all-new model for the Mercedes-Benz lineup. Both the EQB 300 and the more powerful EQB 350 will be offered in either exclusive or pinnacle trim levels. The 2 to 5 HP EQB 300 will likely be plenty powerful for most drivers, but the pinnacle trim level really amps up the luxury with a panoramic sunroof and a Burmester premium stereo system. The entry-level model will be the EQB 300, which has a 2 to 5 HP electric motor that also produces 288 pound-feet of torque. The step-up offering is the dual-motor EQB 350, which makes 288 horsepower and 324 pound-feet. Mercedes has carried over the cabin from the GLB-class SUV to the EQB, with few changes that help differentiate it from its gasoline-powered counterpart. There are 5 seats across 2 rows, with an optional pop-up third row of seats, nicely trimmed door panels, soft leather upholstery. The EQB, also like other EQ models, also features lovely rose gold interior accents. The addition of the battery pack does intrude on cargo space somewhat, with the EQB losing up to 5 cubic feet of luggage space depending on how the rear seats are folded. Mercedes-Benz's newest MBUX infotainment system is on display inside the EQB. It offers a touchscreen, voice command, and steering wheel controls for its audio, navigation, and other functions. We've found this new interface to be frustrating to use at times, particularly its overly enthusiastic voice assistant that pops up anytime you say the word Mercedes. The navigation offers a feature to help drivers more easily find EV charging stations. All EQB models feature standard LED light band headlights and taillights, the latest MBUX operating system with an augmented reality navigation system, and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Standard safety tech includes blind spot monitoring, emergency brake assist, and lane keep assist. The EQB joins the growing list of EVs that offer free charging, like its stablemate EQS and EQE sedans. The EQB comes with 2 years of unlimited 30-minute charging sessions within the Electrify America network of DC fast chargers. The automaker estimates the EQB has a 31-minute charge time from 10% to 80% with level 2 fast charging. The family-friendly third-row option pits it against the Tesla Model Y and Model X, the only other all-electric SUVs that currently offer a third row. Although the Model X comes with a roomier third row, it also carries a significantly higher starting price of $121,690. Our key takeaway from the EQB 350 drive: that the EV powertrain adds a level of refinement and performance that's missing from the gasoline-powered GLB, holds true for the EQB 300, but keen drivers will notice a difference between the two EQBs on the road, especially if the road is one that twists and turns. This Mercedes won't go as far or as fast as the Tesla, but it drives and feels like a real Mercedes and boasts a better packaged and better finished interior than the Tesla, unless you're planning a lot of long, fast road trips in your compact luxury electric SUV, the quieter, more comfortable Benz. Thanks for watching.